Food and kitchen words. Let's learn 24 items. First, food words. Then, kitchen item words. Rice. Say rice. Roti. Say roti. Lentils. Say lentils. Khichuri. Say khichuri. Bread. Say bread. Biscuit. Say biscuit. Cake. Say cake. Noodles. Say noodles. Soup. Say soup. Juice. Say juice. Pitha. Say pitha. Puffed rice. Say puffed rice. Now, kitchen items. Pot. Say pot. Pan. Say pan. Bowl. Say bowl. Glass. Say glass. Jug. Say jug. Lid. Say lid. Spatula. Say spatula. Strainer. Say strainer. Rolling pin. Say rolling pin. Tray. Say tray. Kettle. Say kettle. Jar. Say jar. Let's play. Find the item. Find rice. Which picture is rice? Yes, rice. Find the bowl. Which picture is the bowl? Yes, bowl. Find the kettle. Which picture is the kettle? Yes, kettle. Find cake. Which picture is cake? Yes, cake. Food words. Rice, roti, lentils, khichuri, bread, biscuit, cake, noodles, soup, juice, pitha, puffed rice. Kitchen words. Pot, pan, bowl, glass, jug, lid, spatula, strainer, rolling pin, tray, kettle, jar. Great job! You learned 24 food and kitchen words.